Their stories of perseverance fuels our determination, and that is why Rising Tigers is here. We want to wake up a generation of champions and help others become the symbol of our national values and strength. We wouldn't come this far if it weren't for all of you in this room. Ngayon, habang ipinagdidiwang natin ang buwan ng wika at ang araw ng mga bayani, nais namin ibahagi sa lahat ang aming layunin. Ang Rising Tigers ay hindi lamang nagbabahagi ng mga kwento ng ating mga kababayan, ngunit ibinabahagi namin ang kakayahan ng bawat Pilipino. Sapagkat nasa dugo natin ang pagiging matatag, mapagmalasakit at matyaga sa harap ng mga pagsubok at hamon ng buhay. At nakaugat ito sa ating mayaman na kasaysayan at sa ating mga bayani. To our featured leaders, you have created opportunities that were non-existent before. And this is a celebration of our nation's potential. That is why we need to celebrate you, our heroes, our nation builders,